Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next video is about Bangko Filipino related videos. I would like to inform to all viewers that if you can recall the past videos from 2024 until present 2025 and in the future next few years and so forth, na-compute ko na po ang overall videos. I would like to inform na aabot ito ng more than 100 videos, Bangko Filipino related videos, kasi hindi to kaya ng isang video lang kasi maraming maraming topic. Then of course maraming improvement, of course meron din changes, a little lang, hindi naman totally change yung rehabilitation. Kasi I was thinking also yung kasi ayaw nila i-release yung if you can recall the 2011 issue, yung 25 billion loan package, yung 18.8 damage suit na which was won in the Supreme Court. Kailan daw i-withdraw ang case, which is unfair naman sa amin, lalo na sa bank kasi kukolektahin yan eh. Yan ang damage ang ginawa. Ngayon, I was thinking, and with the Depositors Alliance, we will start from the scratch. Then, meron din ako i-mention na video yung padlock. Meron akong gagawin padlock, yung hindi lang branded na padlock, yung ibig sabihin yung padlock na para hindi na mag-loan sa Bangko Sentral kasi may history na eh. Ayun, ang gagawin natin yung padlock na funds para hindi mag-loan, yung stable talaga, stable, yung matatag talaga. Yun talaga ang goal namin. Kasi if they keep on loan, ending papuntang bankruptcy. So, yun talaga. Then, meron din ako i-mention yung losses, paano i-recover. Yun ang pinaka-importante part. Paano i-recover ang Bangko Pilipino. Then, meron akong na-mention yung past videos, yung recommendation, yung diversify conglomerate, yun. Tapos, yung audited financial statement, kailangan laman talaga. Audited financial statements. Hindi pwedeng wala. Kasi, paano sila nakalon kung walang audited financial statements, di ba? So, sounds strange, di ba? Pero I think na-comply yata eh. Kasi kung nakasubmit sila, paano sila nakalon? Di ba? Malaking question mark. So, yun. By the way, basta ang susunod na video, I compute it all videos, aabot talaga ng 100 plus. 100 plus talaga, related video. Not only 2025, next few year, iba pa yung 2026, iba pa yung 2027. Basta, next few years, dadami pa yan. At saka, yung meron pa mga may i-update, yun, lalabas din yan, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Then, sa legal team, I would like to inform legal team ng Bangko Filipino, mag-ready na kayo ng mga extra funds kasi malaki ang gagastusin para ma-clear na yung name. Then, ang bank ka na maka-recover sa lalong madaling panahon. Ito kasi nadapa lang talaga. Kaya, I'm gonna tell you, this video is about more than 100 plus videos. Bangko Filipino related videos. So, yung mga dating depositor, pwede kayo mag-subscribe sa aking video and click the notification bell for my next Bangko Filipino related videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.